So today I will be doing a science experiment for my school. So the ingredients I need are food coloring. I have orange and I also have red. And we will also need a spoon, 4 glasses if we are doing 2 colors, and we will need water. So first we're going to pour the water in 2 glasses like this. And like this. And then we will put the food coloring in. Just a little bit. And mix it. And then now the orange is done, we will do the red. And then mix again. We'll just need a little bit more. No. Then we'll close it up and mix. There, red and orange. Now I also need tissue, so I'm going to get one from here and fold it. And it should turn out like this. So I'm going to put one in the water. Then I'm going to make another one. And then we'll do the same as the other one. And then as you can see, the water is going up the tissue. It's transporting. Going very, very slowly. Look, this is turning to yellow now. And this is turning to pink. So the color in the glass is turning to a brighter color. Now they're going down. And we have to wait 5 minutes for them to transport to the other glass. Look what happened after 5 minutes. Some of the water transported and it turned a different color. Orange turned to yellow and red turned to light red. It didn't really turn to pink. Look, they're the exact same amount. And the tissue actually works on transporting. So it went from all the water in these glasses to some of the water in these glasses too. So I'm going to leave these for a few more minutes so that 4 glasses become the same amount. So stay with me. So I left them for a few more minutes the same amount. Look. The red and the other glass have the same amount, and these two have the same amount too. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!